Today, I'm going to share with you the 4 inspections you always need to order when purchasing a multifamily property to complete your physical due diligence. So I'm Juan Pablo, founder and CEO of Multifamily Done For You. Let's jump into it. So here's an acronym for you. It's PIRTS, P-I-R-T-S, PIRTS. Now, the P-I is for property inspection, so that's one thing, right? When you get a multifamily property under contract, you want to start the due diligence immediately. You want to start with the financial, but for this video, we're going to focus on the physical. So let's say you finish the financial. The first inspection report that you should order, and if possible, many of property inspectors who are certified and reputable, they can do many of these other inspections that I'm about to share with you. Or you might have to hire several others, okay? But I'm just share with you the ones that we typically order when performing physical due diligence. The first thing is the PI. The PI stands for a property inspection. This is a certified property inspector who inspects everything from the roof to the crawl space. Now, we worked with a particular property inspector for years, and we had a good relationship where we will groom him on some of the things we want to see in the reports that helps us with negotiating cash back at closing, reduction in purchase price, etc. And these are the main things we care about when we receive the property inspection report. We care about major items. Major items are things such as the roof, the foundation, the HVAC system, heating, ventilation, AC, all that good stuff. We also care about electrical, plumbing, just big ticket items, in other words. So we want to see that first, front and center on the report, because we want to use that as negotiating power to get us credits or price reductions during due diligence. The second thing we like to see are safety items. Now, safety items don't have to be expensive. It could be a handrail leading up to the steps that's shaky, but it's a safety hazard. It may cost, who knows, $5 just to fix it. It might be a few screws loose, right? But it matters. So we negotiate that. And last, environmental issues, right? Things such as if there's a rodent pest infestation, right? Asbestos in the property, mold, mildew, stuff like that. All right, so that's one of the first inspection reports we do, a property inspection report. That's the PI. Let's get into the R. The R is for radon, right? Now, radon is an odorless gas in which it can be harmful to the occupants who live there. So you want to make sure that you get tested for that as well. And typically the property inspector performs that. So if you're unsure if your property inspector does that test or not, the radon test, just ask, right? If not, then hire another person to do that for you. All right, so that's the PIR. Now let's get into the T. T, it pretty much deals with the environmental things I just mentioned, right? The termites, right? Because you want to make sure that you do, make sure there's no wood infestation going on, okay? So you want to make sure that you hire a specialist in that area to do testing to make sure there's no termite damage, okay? And the last letter is the S, in which you do a sewer line inspection. This might be separate from a property inspector, but this is where you hire a person in which they have a camera and they go through the sewer line and they inspect to see if there's any blockages, right? Prior to having that test, I remember I used to buy properties, I would do the other reports, but not the sewer line inspection. And then after closing, we ended up finding out that there were blockages and you have to tear up the ground and spend money to, unblock it and all that stuff. It's just better to do these things up front, because that's the financial freedom principle, right? Is to evaluate all consequences up front. And that's important for you to do as a real estate investor, buying a multifamily property and performing the physical due diligence. Well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's PIRTS, P-I-R-T-S. I'm Juan Pablo, again, founder, CEO of Multifamily Done For You. Now, if you're interested in acquiring your next multifamily property, but you need some assistance, whether you don't have the time available, the know-how available, it could be just not even having the confidence. Just schedule a discovery call, check the link below, and we'll be able to help you with that. Now, hey, you don't have to do anything I share with you in this video. All I require is that you just keep coming back. Keep coming back to this YouTube channel, consume the content to the point you are a confident, informed decision maker, because that will enable you to take action. As always, guys, it's to your success. Continue to earn passively, live passionately. Peace.